Welcome to SAG Infotech. In this video tutorial, I will tell you how to import the data from Tally Excel through our software. Go to GST Returns, click on GSTR1, select the month, the client. Now go to Fill Forms. At the bottom of the page, there is a button by name Import and Export. Click on that. Go to Excel. Select Import from Tally Excel. Select the browse path. Click on Open. Click on Get Data. Please wait. Now here all the data is imported on a temporary mode. Now to import the data in the software, we'll select the option Delete all existing invoices, then Import all invoices. Click on that. Now click on Import. Click on OK. Now these are the invoices which are finally imported in the software through Tally Excel. Thank you.